Hello, fellow wood chopperoos. The Big Chopperoo and Safety Dan here.
Hey.
Now, for months, we've been working on this project, so let me tell you the backstory behind it. So, occasionally we have to film some scenes over in Dan's garage, and well, when winter came around, it got kind of cold. So I got online and I found this website called newair.com, and I was able to find a nice little heater for his garage. Well, I started looking at a few more things on the website, and they had like fans, portable air conditioning units, ice makers, and a wine fridge. And that gave me an idea. See, I have a customer who has a wine shop, and I've sold several wine racks for her. And I thought I would make the ultimate wine cabinet station. So check this out. It has a large top here with a glass window on it. And in this case, I filled it with a bunch of cork to just kind of make it look artsy. Now, to access this, it has a hidden drawer, and the drawer is concealed by the crown molding on it. And this allows me to put my corkscrew in there, maybe some coasters, and so on. It also has a place to hang the glasses, some bottle storage, and of course, the very cool Newair dual-zoned fridge. It has two different settings for temperatures for your wines, reds and whites, whatever. But at any rate, the nice thing about this is it's really quiet too. So I built this whole project just around that fridge. Now, if you've been following the show, you know that we've made several quick tips out of this, and there's a lot of lessons that are standalone in it. But this video, well, this is kind of like the condensed, sped-up version of the whole build. So I hope you enjoy it. Well, and there you are, the complete build of the wine cabinet station. Now, if you're interested in some more details to it, I have the links below that specifically go over step by step certain things of this. So you can check it out there.
You know, Chad, I noticed that New Era also offers humidors.
Yeah, so?
Well, I figured since you were going to get all fancy on me with the wine, I should upgrade the cigars.
Well, if you like what you saw today, please like and subscribe. Leave your comments, and make sure you check out new episodes that we have coming out on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Until then, go dance now, people.